Here in a saucepan I have added 1 liter of milk and I'm going to boil it up. Only I will give one boil to this milk. We will switch off the flame after that and cool it down. Let's wait for the milk to boil up. Guys, the first boil is here. I'm going to switch off the flame and let it cool down. Let's just turn off the flame. The flame has been turned off. Let's cool it down.
Do not completely cool down the milk. It should be slightly warm as well. For instance, if you dip your finger into milk, it could tolerate the warmness.
So guys, it has completely cooled down and I'll just dip my finger into it to make sure that it has completely cooled down. Look, it has completely cooled down. You also have to do the same thing to make sure that it has completely cooled down. If you want to make a perfect yogurt at home, you have to follow all these instructions. Now guys, here we are adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I saved it and I'm just adding into it to make a perfect dahi. And just mix it up. Now here, as you can see, I have covered it up and I'll just place it in a very warm place where there is no movement of air at all. There should be no coldness in that room at all. So guys, I have kept this saucepan in a warm place, in a warm room, because the room in which I have kept it usually is really warm and it doesn't contains any coolness or any coldness in this room. And if you don't have any kind of room in your home or in your wherever you live, so just make sure to keep it in a cupboard which is tightly closed. And still, if you are feared that there will be some movement of air in this saucepan, just cover it up with a cloth and keep it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, trust me, there will be a very refreshing and tasty yogurt made by you at home. Trust me, it is really tasty and you will be really happy to see it because you have made it. And guys, let's wait for 12 hours. So guys, after 12 hours, I'm here in this room again. I'm just going to take this saucepan out of here and just going to show you that whether it has perfectly curdled up or not. So guys, let's taste it. It tastes heavenly. Like it's made at home and also it has a really good taste, and also I can't stop myself from now eating it because I love dahi. And also it's made by me. I can't believe it. Now you also know the recipe, guys. Now you need to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can easily get my new videos. And if you want more videos like this, the easy one, so just subscribe and press the bell icon. And also comment below that what you guys want me to do in my next videos, what do you guys want me to cook in my next videos. It will be really appreciable by me and my team that you people are actually taking interest in our cooking. And till then guys, keep watching and stay tuned.